Welcome to my apartment. Everything is pretty much the same, but I would like to show an updated tour. This is the entrance where I come into my apartment. I decided to build a shelf for hanging my mask, but also hanging her leashes and the treat bag that we walk her with. And inside this closet, not much has changed either. Still having our shoes, our jackets, and my work stuff up there that I'm not gonna show. Going back to the door and turning this way, we have the bathroom, and again, not much has changed. Hello. I've decided to add this acrylic drawer over here, so now I have contacts that I can easily access without having to go to my bedroom and bringing it here to put it on. I just realized the mirror is quite dirty. I forgot to clean that, but I think it's okay. You get the idea, it's a mirror. And then this is the medicine cabinet where I have all my products that I still need to try for some of those. In the shower, everything is still the same. My new favorite though is this Kosas HA body wash. Whole concept, and I really like the way it feels on my skin after using. Oh, hi. So Dashi got spayed yesterday, and today's her second day of recovery. She's a little bit more whiny, and she's probably in so much pain right now. Oh, baby. Hi. You wanna say hi? No. Being in the corner shame. No. Hi, Dashi. You wanna do the tour with me? Yeah? You wanna do the tour with me? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Going back out of the bathroom, all my work stuff that I had in this closet, I decided to put it out here. Honestly, I don't like how the work stuff is out here, but I honestly really needed the space for my jackets, vacuum, and all these other things. Okay, now into the bedroom. Some changes have definitely been made in the bedroom. I have 2 new drawers. I actually think this drawer might be here in the last video, but that one was definitely not there. We got this from one of our neighbors. It's actually an IKEA 6 drawer that has been discontinued. I really like the way it looks right now. It's very clean, and honestly, it's been a while since I've seen my bedroom this clean. Next to my desk is my bed. It's a queen size, and the frame is from IKEA. The bed sheets are from Brooklinen, and it's the Luxe Core bundle set. I really love these sheets. They make me fall asleep in like 2 seconds, and they're so soft and buttery. Moving on to the side, his and hers closet. This his and her closet is actually quite big, so I'm really happy about it. Going out of the bedroom and turning into the foyer, we have the washer dryer here, Crown Jewel of New York, and I would like to say that in my new apartment I will not have the washer and dryer, so I'm definitely gonna miss you. I'm gonna give you one big kiss before I leave. Over here is the Bissell electric mop, which I really like so far. I'm gonna keep playing with it and using it to clean my floors, but so far loving this guy. Next to the Bissell, I have the bar cart. I don't think this was in the last video tour either. I think this was more of a recent ad, and I really love it. Seeing here the mirror with some Christmas decoration, because honestly, who takes off Christmas decorations in January? Everyone takes them off after Valentine's Day, right? Over here is my favorite part. It's the living room. Honestly, not much has changed aside from the Christmas decoration, but I will definitely miss you. You are so beautiful. This is the kitchen area, and the biggest change I would say is this decoration of Stumptowns. Yes, these are all Stumptown cold brews that I've been drinking, and I just put it up there because I think it looks so cute. This Nespresso, it's the newest addition to this kitchen. I just got it for Christmas/birthday from my friend, and I really like it. I've been using it a lot, and I think, oh, there you go. There goes the pod. This area is kind of like my little shrine. I really like the way it looks here, and I don't know if anyone can tell, but I am quite obsessed with these little guys. I think they're so cute, and I got that from my friends for my birthday. It's a cute painting of Dash. I really love it, and I just actually bought this vase yesterday from Home Goods, and I decided to put some bunny tails there. And for this couch, I'm gonna be bringing it to my new apartment too, but what I love about it is that it's actually a sofa bed, so I could pull it out, and we actually just pull it out to use as an ottoman. Then a happy balloon. I'm gonna take it off later, but I also want a shot of the living room with the balloons just because I feel like it just lives with us at this point. And then I got this new coffee table. Then this crate is just honestly humongous. I think I might get a smaller one for the next apartment. Over here is the Christmas tree, which I really, really like. And honestly, even though Christmas is over, when I look at this, I feel like it's still Christmas just because it's just so cozy looking, and I love the way it looks here. Next to the TV, we have Eugene and the Dash. The Dash is not feeling well again. Sorry, Dash. This is my plant area, and honestly, what plant area? Because they are all slowly dying, and I just don't know how to take care of them, and I think like after getting Dashi, they have not been in the best shape. Well, that's it to the apartment tour. But seriously, it's the cleanest it's ever been since like forever, and I'm really ashamed to say that, but like we worked really hard to clean this apartment for the tour, and I am so sad to be leaving, but the apartment is so beautiful. I'm gonna miss the apartment. I love you so much. The reason is very simple. Rent is just too expensive. We got the lease renewal and we didn't get any months free for this time around. And when we did sign the lease for this apartment, we got 4 months free because it was part of the COVID deal. And honestly, the 4 months really do matter because our gross rent for this apartment is about $4,000. And with the 4 months free, that brought our gross rent from $4,000 to $2,700 per month. So yeah, the 4 months free really does matter for this apartment. But now that we got the lease and we didn't get any offers for months free, it just financially doesn't really make sense to stay here any longer. And so that's why I'm moving out. I now have lived out my time here, and this apartment has brought a lot of joy, happiness, and good memories for me. So I hope the next people who live in this unit will enjoy this apartment as much as I do, and I'm really thankful for this experience. Like truly, thank you, apartment. I'm going to miss you so much, but it's been a really good journey, and I feel so lucky to be here. And now it's off to a new adventure, and I too am excited for the new apartment. It's gonna be bittersweet to say goodbye to this apartment, but thank you so much for everything, apartment. Bye. Have any objections? I'm gonna take it off.
No, go for it.